Is it breakfast? Is it dessert? That's up to you.
Let's spend time with Marco, but the food is the star, so it's probably worth sharing.
Hello, I'm Marco, and welcome to my home kitchen. Today I want to show you how to make cherry ricotta toast with honey, orange, and basil. It's a really fresh, light, summery, delicious thing. It is such a delightful way to use cherry season, which is like right now. To put this together, you need some olive oil fried toast. I have a video on how you can make that. You can also use regular toast. You can also use an English muffin. You need some ricotta. I'm using homemade, about a tablespoon of honey, the zest and juice of an orange, a couple sprigs of basil, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 cups of whole pitted cherries, and some vanilla extract. The first step is to macerate the cherries. They're going to soak in sugar and orange juice and orange zest and really absorb those flavors. To do that, I'm just going to slice each cherry in half. That's all the cherries chopped. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, which is going to help bring out all of the juices from the cherries, as well as the zest and juice of this orange. Orange zest smells so nice. Last thing here is about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then give this a good toss. This is going to sit off to the side while I put the rest of the ingredients together. That's going to help soften the cherries and bring all of the flavors together. Next is the honey ricotta. I'm going to use about half this container, so that'll be about 250 grams of ricotta. I'm going to add a tablespoon of honey and mix this together. The honey really smooths out the flavor and the texture of the ricotta, so that's the ricotta mix. Last is to chop up some basil. Pick the leaves from a couple of sprigs. You maybe want 10 or 12 leaves total. I mean, that's a terrible measurement because every basil leaf is a different size. I'm just going to roll them tightly into kind of a basil log and then very thinly slice. After slicing, chop the other direction. And now I'm ready to assemble. Grab a delicious looking piece of toast. Your first layer is some ricotta. On top of the ricotta, throw on some cherries, however artfully you feel like decorating. Followed by basil. So a little sprinkle of basil on top and a tiny sprinkle of salt. As an added bonus, you can take some of the juices from the bottom of the cherries and throw that on right at the end. That's all there is to it. It's a really fast, really light, really delicious recipe. There are lots of variations you can do on this as well. For example, peaches, plums, or apricots, but you can also make this with frozen cherries year round. You could use lemon and mint instead of orange and basil. How does it taste? That is so nice. It is one of the best toasts I've ever had in my life. I love the way all the flavors are playing off of each other. It's just kind of like waves of really gentle, interesting changes. The orange and the vanilla are playing with the cherries, kind of the creaminess of the ricotta and the honey. It's so fun. They're really beautiful, so you could take these to a party. I hope you try this recipe. I hope you like it as much as I do. If you enjoyed this video, please like, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.
So it's probably